what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Super excited you made it here today for another one of my glam Halloween tutorials. Today is a painter and her canvas. I have my blank canvas on this side, my artwork on this side, my paint palette. And we all know a makeup artist's canvas is her face, and that's the direction that we took this look in today. I hope that you enjoy it, learn something fun today, and have an awesome time recreating this yourself. This is part of my Halloween series, and if you are new here, I'm uploading Halloween videos every Monday and Thursday of October, with my gore looks happening on Monday and my glam looks happening on Thursday. So be sure to check those out from this year. And last year too, because last year's were really fun as well. And let me know what you think of this look in the comments below. And let's jump right into this. Okay, so this look is literally the easiest one we're probably gonna do this year. And it's going to be a lot of fun. So basically what you need to get started is your cream colored paints and a bunch of them. So you can also grab just a bunch of different brushes, and we're just gonna start painting our face. So let's get started, shall we? I'm starting with bright blue. Okay, so now that we have the paint side done, now it's time to do the white half of our face. So I have my Smithy's Makeup FX water-based paint, and basically I'm just gonna paint that all over my face on this side. Okay, so once you have your blank canvas and your art done, it's time to throw on some classic pieces to complete this costume. So the first one's going to be this little beret. And I painted the hairs here a little bit so they blend in more with the blank canvas side. And then just have my hair in a low bun with the hat. And this part of the costume is done. To complete it just a little bit more, grab yourself grab yourself an art and a paintbrush, and your costume is totally complete. So this, friends, is the final look. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something new and cool today. Like I said, this one is super easy and really simple to put together, so I hope that you're able to try it out. All you need is a black turtleneck, a beret, a paint, what are these called? A paint palette, and your look is pretty much put together for you. So I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, learned something new and cool today, and found an easy look that you are able to recreate yourself. Have an awesome rest of your week and Halloween season, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!